So let's look at how to install ROMKT Pro Forever Plus 21.6.23 on Xiaomi Poco F1. Many of you were asking about installation video of latest ROMKT Pro 21.6.30 versions. Since this is the recent build to that build, you can follow the exact same step as this. The reason behind why I chose this version is Sagar, the dude who is an active supporter of ROMKT Pro and claims this build is the best among their Android 11 ports. Before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin the installation process, you need to have a unlocked bootloader, a custom recovery installed, and both ROM file and preferred recovery from the description. If your phone is encrypted, move both files into your micro SD card. You may need to format your internal storage. To know the encryption status, you may go to security session and check. If you are using MIUI, you need to navigate into password and security and privacy. You will find the encryption status over there. Once done, remove all security measures including fingerprint, face unlock, MIUI account and Google account linked. Once done, reboot your phone into recovery. Once you are in your current recovery, first is to flash the preferred recovery. For that, select install from the recovery and browse into downloaded file location. You will find OrangeFox file there. Select the file and swipe to flash. Once installation finishes, reboot the phone into recovery. Actually, it will reboot automatically, but in case it didn't, reboot it manually. Once you are back in OrangeFox recovery, select Wipe and select Cache, Dalvik, System, Vendor, Data. Only select internal storage if your phone is encrypted, else leave it as it is. Swipe to Wipe. Once done, select Files and browse into ROM file and select the ROM file and swipe to install. Wait until the installation finishes. It may take some time. Once done, make sure that there is no errors noticed and reboot your phone. Since it is first boot, it may take some time. Let me quickly finish the first boot steps and come back. So here it is, the ROM is successfully installed. If you see closely, you won't be finding the MIUI cam with this ROM. So next is to solve that issue. After the successful installation of this ROM, if you go to File Manager and Downloads, you will find two files. One is for enabling PUBG 90 FPS and one is the MIUI cam fix file. You need to flash the file via recovery. So reboot into recovery once. Once you are in recovery, browse into file and flash it. Once installation finishes, your phone will automatically reboot into system. Since it is a normal boot, it won't be taking much of time. So here it is. You will be able to see the MIUI cam now. Perfectly working. I did check normal photo, video, portrait, slow-mo and more. Everything was working smoothly. So that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Nothing more, nothing less. Till next time, be safe and take care.